Hi, my name is Chris for MP Systems. If you're watching this video, you're likely interested in our Cyclonic Debris Removal System, or CDR for short. We specifically designed the CDR to capture fines and dirt before they can accumulate in your machine tool's coolant tank, preventing issues like clogged pumps, frequent tank cleanouts, and creating an overall cleaner working environment. While the CDR is a proven solution to this common dirt issue, it may not be appropriate for every situation. We created the CDR test kit to help potential customers identify whether or not the CDR will excel in their application. A qualified CDR candidate will have a properly working chip conveyor. This test will determine that. The CDR test kit includes a sieve and a plastic measuring cup. The mesh screen in the sieve is the same rating as the screen commonly found in chip conveyors. We'll begin the CDR test by grabbing a sample of the coolant from the coolant tank. You want to make sure that you fill the cup up completely, striking it off on the top so you get an accurate measurement. Next, you'll take that sample and pour it into the sieve. Make sure to rinse the sieve in the coolant to make sure that everything that should go through does. If there are any remaining fines in the sieve, pour them back into the measuring cup, making note of the amount. If your filtering conveyor is working properly, there should be no fines left in your cup. If this is the case, you would qualify for a CDR. This also applies to magnetic and drag style conveyors. If there's less than 10% fines left in the cup or below the 1 ounce line, you would still qualify for a CDR, but you would require a severe duty upgrade. This includes an additional reusable cleanable filter basket that traps larger fines before they enter the CDR. If there are more than 10% of fines left in your cup, your filtering conveyor is not working properly, or chips are bypassing the conveyor, and your system requires service before adding a CDR. And that's it. Testing to qualify for a CDR is that simple and can be performed on any machine in your shop within minutes. If you qualify for cyclonic debris removal, please contact your dealer for pricing or contact MP Systems directly for additional info. Thank you for watching.